Hello friends, today I'm going to tell you how you can earn approx 200 rupees in just 2 minutes. So if you are interested then watch full video. I'm starting now. So then you can see that I have opened my Chrome browser and you have also have to open your Chrome browser. And I'm going to search here for valued opinions. As you can see it is given here valued opinions sign up India. So I'm clicking here and whatever country you belong to you can type here your country. You can replace India with any other country. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to search it. Okay, so you can see it is valuedopinions.co.in sign up for online service. So I'm clicking here. Then you can see this site has been opened now and it is showing an account to fill. So you can see it is a full form to make your account, and you have to give here your information, full information like first name, last name, gender, date of birth. And you have to complete this form. It is very easy, you can do it easily. And last you have to click on submit. After clicking on submit, you will show this page, and this is asking for security questions. Means if you are unable to log in your account, and it is that's why it is asking for a security question. So you can set any security question like who is your favorite artist and musician, what is the last name of your best friend. So I'm going to set here uh, what is your favorite color or of car. Okay, no, I'm going to click here who is your favorite artist or musician. So I'm typing here uh, Arijit Singh. You can type you can select any question whatever you like, and you could actually remember forever. So I'm just clicking on finish. Now the process has been completed and my account has been fully created. So now you can see that it is written here that thank you for registering. Your registration is almost complete. Please check your inbox and click the link within the confirmation email to finalize your registration. Okay, so it is saying now that a confirmation link has been sent to your email whatever you entered here. Just check there and click on the link and verify your account. So you have to check your account, check your Gmail account now to see the verification link. As I am going to show you that you can see I am clicking on Gmail, and going to see here clicking on all mail. I'm going to look is there any verification link. So no, there is not verification link till now. So I'm going to search again. I'm waiting now, it will come I think. Okay, I do not yet received the confirmation mail, so I am going back there. So listen, you can see here it is also written that can't find your confirmation email, click the button to resend. So I am clicking here again. Okay, now it is saying that your confirmation email has been resent. So I am going to check again. Yeah, you can see here that I have received the email, and activate today and start earning up to rupees 150 a survey. So I'm going to click on activate now. It will activate my account. So if you have received this type of mail, then you have to click on activate now button and your account will be activated. So you can see that your account, it is written here that your account is activated. Congratulations, your account is fully active and ready to go. To get started, fill out your profile as soon as you can. A complete and accurate profile enables us to present service that are relevant to you and your interest. The more we know about you, the more earning opportunities we can make available. Log in below and we shall take you to your profile straight away. When your account get created, then this website again says you that to log in again. So you can see here username or email or password box. Then you have to type here your login credentials, whatever your email is with that you created your account, that email or your password what you have given. So after filling your email and password, you can click on login. After logged into the page, you will see this page, and you can see here welcome back, this is your member dashboard. From here you can find available service, the latest announcements from valid opinions, as well as key features of your membership. So now you can start earning money. So here you can see that it is written start survey, and you can find your first survey instantly. But actually this survey is about to complete your profile. First you have to complete your profile. You have to tell your interests, your education, and everything whatever is needed, so that this site can send you the service that is that could be useful to you. So it is very necessary that you give all your information well. So you can see I'm clicking here on a start survey. Now it is loading the survey page. Here, as you can see that I found my first question: how many cars are in your household? Okay, so these types of questions you will also get, and you have to reply all the questions. I will do it later. So I just want to tell you everything about on this site. So I've told you, when you will click on the survey, then what will you see? You will see some questions that will be about getting information for getting information about you. Then you have to give your information. So I am going back. I want to show you the all features on this site. So clicking on the back button. Yeah, so you got know about the start survey, and now I'm clicking the on the three lines. Here you can see all all menus surveys. So when you will click on the first option, first menu surveys, then you will get all paid surveys. By them you can earn money. Next there is survey profile. After clicking on the survey profile, you here you can give your full information, so that you can get actually more service for more money. So here you can see there are starting questions: how influential is earning rewards to supplement your income? Okay, so then you will submit, and there you can see progress 0. When you will submit, then you will get another questions, and this progress will go till 100%. It is you can see it is now 0%, and this will go till 100%. It will not take much time, it will take just only 10 minutes. After spending 10 minutes, you can earn money forever. So just this is the survey profile menu, and next the reward menu. When you collect money, you can redeem it, you can get rewards. Here you can see uh, vouchers, gift vouchers that Amazon.in, 400 rupees value. When you earn a 400 point, you can earn a you can redeem your Amazon 400 voucher. Next here is Flipkart voucher, charity donation, and there are so many options to redeem once you get. And first thing I want to tell you that for one survey you can earn maximum uh, 200 points. So in just two surveys you can earn 400 points and can redeem your voucher in just 3-4 days. Okay, or it can also be possible in just first day. It depends on you how much time you look for the surveys. So next there is pages. You can just click on it and see whatever it is. It is not important to tell you, but I am telling you that there is actually profile levels, that is diamond, platinum, gold, silver. It depends on the how much surveys you complete and what is your profile level. So it will show time to time what is the profile level. You can check here. Next here is explore. So in this page you can see we are much more than a survey site. Means they are telling that there's much more than the surveys. Mobile verification, introducing a new way to keep your rewards safe and your account secure. So it is not a thing to tell you, you can see it yourself. Next here is account. In account there are four options: my details, survey history, past orders, preferences. So these all options are related to your account. Okay, so you can see yourself, there is not much need. And next there is help. If you have any problem, then you can take help here. There are some questions, some rules and regulations you can read here. And if you have any query, you want to talk with the Valid Opinion team, then you can click on contact us. And whatever subject is, you can click here, you can select here. If question about the website, you want to know about the website, and you can click here on the first line. Then question about registration, if you are confused about registration, then you can click here. Question about survey points, you want to know about survey points, then you can. Technical issue with the surveys, when you take surveys sometimes it happens that you get the surveys still you don't be able to complete them. So this is technical issue. Then if you are facing any type of this technical issue, then you can click here and you can type your message here. Next is question about rewards, you want to know anything about rewards, just click here. Account login issues or account reactivation issues, I think you will get know about all these options. The main thing is that you have to type your subject, you have to click your subject and type your message here and click on submit. In FAQs there are some FAQs you can read and get. So next here is logout. If you want to log out your account, then you can do. So I have given you all information. Now you can start using this amazing site, Valid Opinion, start earning money. Okay, till then bye bye, I will meet you in my next video. Okay, thank you.